Hey everyone, Kim Abbas here. I work with my husband Tony Abbas. Together we work for Thrive Mortgage. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to address some frequently asked questions. These are questions we get all of the time, and more than likely you've had these questions yourself but have been either too busy or too shy to ask them. So the sooner I can answer these questions for you, the sooner you can be on the path towards home ownership. On a side note, I'm wearing some really awesome headphones. Not awesome at all, but I'm wearing them because they'll help improve the quality, and I'd rather you hear me well than really worry about how I look in them. So let's just get started. The good news is, not necessarily. In fact, for conventional loans, your score can be as low as 620 or above. And for FHA loans, your score can actually be somewhere in the 500s or above. Typically, that's good news. The thing to remember though is that the lower your credit score is, the higher your interest rate will typically be. So they're connected. Keep that in mind. So the short answer is that you can get a conventional loan with as little as 3% down. With FHA, it's 3.5%, and if you qualify for VA or USDA, you're not required to put any money down. Now, when it comes to conventional and FHA, when you put less than 20% down, you are required to pay something called Private Mortgage Insurance, or PMI. This is rolled in to your monthly payments. However, on a conventional loan, once your loan-to-value ratio reaches 78%, then your PMI is canceled. Okay, so closing costs are separate from your down payment. Closing costs are basically all of the charges that you need to pay to complete the loan. Now, these closing cost charges can include, but aren't necessarily limited to, things like lender fees. These are the fees that are charged to you to do things like your processing and your underwriting. Remember, there's a lot of verification and paperwork that goes with processing and underwriting your loan. There's also fees regarding title insurance, as well as other various title company fees. There's prepaid escrows, which again, prepaid escrows include things like your property taxes, insurance. Other fees not included on this list would include an appraisal fee. So whenever you're determining how much it's going to cost you to purchase a home, you do want to factor in not just the down payment, but those closing costs. Now, here's the good news. If you get a really great realtor, oftentimes your realtor can negotiate some of those fees in the form of seller credits, therefore lowering your closing costs, and we all love that. So we addressed a few of those frequently asked questions, and I hope it provided at least some clarification for you. Now, I will be doing another video with more frequently asked questions. For example, what it means to lock in a rate and how that potentially could benefit you. I'll also discuss some of the programs, their differences, similarities, and which ones may be best suited for you so that you can be on the path towards home ownership. Until then, make sure you do your research, reach out to us with any questions, follow us on our Facebook page and YouTube channel, and we look forward to helping you be successful in your path towards home ownership. Bye!